Hi, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV, and thanks so much for tuning in to part 2 of our backyard cleanup. In part 1, Rob and I did a lot of de-junking, a lot of just situating a bunch of our flower beds and pulled out things that did not make it in the Texas freeze that we just had. And in part 1, I explained all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and link it right here for you if you wanna kind of go in and see how we ended up where we're at today. In today's video, we're gonna do some organization, we're gonna run some errands, we are going to get a little bit of planting done. So if you wanna see the progress that we are making on our yard, then keep on watching. I'm really excited about the stuff I got at the dollar store. So I'm gonna go and kind of start organizing all of those things that I had pulled out of that corner yesterday, because I'm having a feeling that I'm probably going to want to go back to the dollar store and get more bins or containers. I got just a few of each just to kind of see what's going to work for us, and I'm having a thought that I'm probably going to have to go get more. Not to mention that some of those were like awesome, and I'm thinking that Rob can actually use them in for all of his silver and copper and just little knick-knacky things that he just kind of has laying out. We can get them organized and kind of condensed in one area. So I'm gonna go home. It's been about an hour and a half, so we'll see where he's at with all the things. I haven't even gotten any plants. I was hoping that here at Costco they were gonna have plants here, but they had nothing here. They had some soil, but I'm gonna wait for Rob for all that stuff. But I must be early. It's not quite planting time here, but there were so many people here that I was like, let me just get the meat, get Kai's bullies, and get the heck out of Dodge. So let's go home. What do you think? Are you ready for another day of just stuff? Are you ready for another day of just stuff and doing all the things? I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint these. I'm gonna pull all of this stuff out of my trunk and get everything. So this is what I was talking about, like all of this stuff right here, get all of that into bins, and oh, I'm so excited. And I'm really excited because there's a couple of tubes. I don't know, where are they? Oh, like right here. Like, see those, like that wire? There's some tubing in all of this somewhere. And my thought was, how cool would it be? That's what I got these for. So we could just stack them and put the tubing in here and then put the tube through the hole, or put the wire through the hole, and then you'll just be able to pull what you need. It works for my ribbon, like my gift wrapping ribbon. This is how I do it. But maybe it'll work for some of the tubing stuff too. If not, I think these are still super cool and will give a little bit of texture to organization, which Rob absolutely does not care about at all. But I love these also. I feel like they're very garage vibes, especially these. And I'm hoping I'm gonna need to get more of these because I just think they're so cool. Okay, let's get to it. This may not be super pretty, but it is functional. And until I actually have to go through all these filing cabinets, I think those 3 are empty. I think this one is not. I have to go through and just double check and make sure, and then we're gonna sell those filing cabinets. We'll just kind of clean them up a little bit. But we've got all the things kind of all set up, and at least everything is in one area. We're gonna be able to find anything that we need quickly. And once we get more shelving in here, we'll be able to kind of put it up and make it a little bit more pretty, but at least it is organized, and this makes me really happy. I want something with a little bit of height, and obviously I want some color in here, but this area gets so little sunlight that we're gonna have to be careful as to what we plant in here. So Rob and I are gonna head out pretty soon, get to the nursery, go to the hardware store, and just start getting this day kind of going. I've already been going, but this is like the fun stuff. So we have not left yet. Rob is actually fixing a broken sprinkler head, and we were actually just standing here talking, and we were like, where's this water coming from? And so he is actually fixing all the things right there. What a mess. But we're gonna head out very soon. Almost?
Yeah.
What do you need me to do?
I'm gonna turn it on and you gotta make sure it doesn't spray.
I can do that. Looks good to me.
Looks good to me. Water's on full blast.
All right, this is what we've got so far. We have these beautiful hibiscus plants. I just now need to kind of walk around and figure out where I want things. But it's a little bit funny because I didn't get anything for the patio or for this area right here, but that's okay. I'm gonna put these where they belong, and then I think I'm gonna head to Callaway's because I really wanted to get the patio stuff done tonight. So, but how beautiful are these guys? So gorgeous, so gorgeous. And look at like the texture of these leaves. Oh, so pretty. All right, we're gonna have a quick bite to eat. Street tacos for the win. Success already. I found exactly the hibiscus that I wanted. And I also got this little guy, small enough and exactly the succulent that I wanted. A Cheveria. Love. This is gonna look so good in that Buddha. I have a lot to get done today, so I am really trying to stay like absolutely focused on what I am here for. How beautiful is this? Wait for this epicness. Boop. So cute. Love. Love, 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 love. This will obviously need to be planted, but I love the way that looks. I love it. I have decided that I want a queen palm here. So I'm gonna do a queen palm, and then I'm not sure what I'll do around it, but we'll put some color around it. Kai, come here, buddy. Come on. So that's my game plan for this area right here. I did not find a queen palm that I was satisfied with, so that's something that's gonna go on the to-do list, hopefully in the next couple days. That'll be in another vlog. But I'll definitely show you guys when I do get this bad boy planted up. I will show you the outcome of it and let you know how it turned out. My game plan here is to just kind of see over the next several weeks how these grow, and if I have room to put more color, just like annuals on this side here, then I will, but these might grow out this way. So I'm just going to give them some time to see how much extra space I might have in this area, because this is one of my favorite places to plant, because you see this from every side of our yard, and the more color I can get in here, the better. So we'll kind of see how these grow out, and then we'll add accordingly. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.